Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to add a banner to the friend claim page, similar to this green-blue banner saying limited time remaining on this page. So I'm going to walk through the steps and then we're going to do it in the Talkable platform together. First of all, you're going to prepare this little icon image. So that's that little clock that's here. You could use a different one, but otherwise you can use this one, which is 19 by 17. Then you'll go to the HTML and CSS tab under the friend claim page and upload this specific clock icon. After that, we're going to add a number of different blocks. First, we're going to add this orange block to the assigns block. And then to the HTML block, we're going to add in a specific place this other orange block along with this one. And then lastly, in the CSS block, we're going to find what's on the left and add what's on the right just above. And then that's simply it. We're going to save the changes, change the color, and then go to the easy editor and see how we can either just launch this or set it up as an A/B test. So I'm going to start with number one. So you can click on this and or you would be able to have access to this little icon. And then you would go into Talkable, locate the friend claim page, go to the HTML and CSS, and then here under files, I already have my uploaded clock icon banner, but you could click here and upload a new one, or if you haven't uploaded it already, basically click here and pick the file. Once that's done, we're going to add this first orange block to the assigns part. So you can see all these other ones say assigned, so I'm going to add that right there. Then secondly, we're going to find by looking for this piece. I'm going to say Command F, search for this piece. I'm clicking enter, it's only there once. And then I'm going to copy this code down here and add it just below what I found. Cool. Next one, similar exercise, you'll find this piece, only there once, and then I'm going to copy this and add it just above this piece. And then the last step here is in the CSS block, so I'm going to search for this down here in the CSS file. It's there twice, but I see the second one here has the include opacity as a second line, similar to here. And then I am going to copy and paste this block and put it just above what I found. And then next step here is basically save the changes, change that color if we want to, and then go to the easy editor. So let me just save the changes. We see the banner now appears up here. I'm going to change it to this orange color down here. So you find here notifications, background color, and you can put in whatever color code that you want the banner to be in. You can go obviously with the same color as I'm doing, or you can go with something that's completely different to stick out. Once you've saved the changes, you'll click back into the editor, go to the configuration and scroll down. And you can see here, friend claim page limited time notification. It's currently showing. You could hide it, it would be removed again, or you can click here and create A/B test, and it would take you into the A/B test suite, and it, by default, show hide 50/50. And you could pick the campaigns that you want this to be shown in, and click save A/B test, and it would be launched 50/50 in any campaign that you're running.